So the person in the picture you're saying was the person who delivered the tacos?
Miss Adams actually targeted and attacked me as well, maliciously and viciously.
I don't know if this young man is going through some sort of cold feet in his marriage or, self-sabotage.
All rise. The court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Porter will be presiding.
Everyone, please be seated. Thank you. We're here for case number 4327, Benjamin Vega versus Julia Adams. Can you please come to the podium? Mr. Vega, good morning. Ms. Adams, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Mr.
Your
Vega, it shows here that you're suing for the amount of $150,000. Am I reading that correctly?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, and Ms. Adams, you're suing in the amount, filing a countersuit for the amount of $1,500.
Correct.
Okay, Mr. Vega, let's start with you, sir. What's going on here?
Yeah, so recently, Your Honor, I've been using this local service in Mango Park where tenants can rent out their homes for a period of time. And I spent a weekend at Miss Adams' place for a work-related thing. And as soon as I got there, it was a pigsty. I mean, there was like a shirt one place, a pants somewhere else. The pool was murky. The AC barely works. And to top it all off, in the basement, the bathroom smelled kind of weird, which I found strange. And in addition to that, Miss Adams actually targeted and attacked me as well, maliciously and viciously.
Sorry. You said she attacked you?
That's correct.
Wow.
How did she attack you?
Well, you see, in the response to my review, my one-star review, she posted a picture of me with some random girl. And I don't know how she even got this picture, but it resulted in the end of my engagement. And I had to cut off all ties with my fiance.
I'm lost here. Wait a minute.
I'm lost too.
Okay, when you say she attacked you, okay, because when I hear the word attack, I usually think something physical. So this was nothing physical, correct?
It was an emotional attack.
It was an emotional.
Yes, yeah.
Emotional
I see them
attack.
as dissimilar. I mean, it felt bad, so.
Okay. All right. All right. So you felt that you were being attacked emotionally, I should say, because of a picture she posted with you and another person?
Yes,
Yeah.
it basically destroyed my whole engagement. We were planning a wedding at the time.
Okay, who this picture, who is this?
It was just a random girl. It was a random girl. I don't even know why she posted the picture on it.
Okay, but it is you in this picture.
I get, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
where was this picture taken?
It was outside the house. It was like one of the security
So it's
cameras.
outside the property that she owns.
That's correct.
So
It's a
I'm
complete
assuming
breach
this
of
occurred. This
privacy,
picture
I
was
think.
taken while you were renting the location.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay, there's where my confusion was coming in.
Yeah,
Because I
yeah.
thought that she found a picture online or something and she posted. Okay,
I guess I ordered food one night and I ordered tacos. Somebody delivered tacos at one point, so it could be from that. So
the person in the picture you're saying was the person who delivered the tacos?
yeah. It was just some random
Okay.
girl. But yeah. I had to call off my whole marriage is the point.
Just so I can, because I'm trying to picture this. The picture that you said she posted is you receiving a food order from a lady delivering tacos.
Yeah, that's correct.
And that
yeah.
she posted the picture of you and the delivery person together in this picture, and that this picture was the catalyst to the destruction of your engagement.
You got it right on the nose. Yeah, that was her intent. I think she captioned it that I cheated on my fiance.
Is your fiance the jealous type? Because a picture of...
Not until then, and then apparently, I don't know. I guess I discovered it now. You know, we've been dating.
So your fiance is the jealous type. So
I just found that out. I guess she is, but it.
So she saw you in a picture receiving delivery from another woman, and she got jealous?
I guess so. I don't understand it, but I'm out so much money Judge.
How much money?
At least $20,000. I had to cancel all our wedding plans. You know, I got a venue. I had to pay for photography, flowers.
So
That's it, but that's
so
a lot, I
So
think,
the wedding
you know?
itself was going to run you about 20 grand.
Around 20 grand, yeah, give or take, probably 5,000.
You know, tradition has it that it's usually the bride's family that pays for the wedding.
I probably
don't-
should have pressed her on that a little bit
That's
more
just
before,
tradition.
but-
I see you were doing it differently. And so this picture caused, I guess, what? Emotional distress and all this other things. And how long did you stay at the property?
It was just a weekend. I mean, it was 2 days. So,
2 days?
Yeah.
So when you found it in poor condition, you decided to stay anyway?
Yeah, I mean, I thought, why not? I mean,
Here's the twist.
hotels. I don't
The
really-
plaintiff's story is already falling
hotel, I
apart.
guess. I
In
thought-
court, credibility matters,
do.
and surveillance
Hold on,
evidence
thought.
can change everything.
Ms. Adams.
Is his
Can you
$150,000
give me
claim
some
about to
clarification?
collapse?
I'm lost as well. I'm a bit baffled. I've never been, sued or taken to court before.
Okay, but the property he's referring to, you do own this property.
Correct.
And you do rent out the property.
Correct.
Okay, so
under from my perspective, I rented him out like I do any other tenant. And I was very shocked and kind of confused as to how he began to review my property. He began to say that it had a lot of mold. It had all these different allegations about it being unkempt and having scents. I went in there and haven't seen anything. I haven't seen much pictures or proof of these said allegations. I actually have a couple of documents just proving photos and reviews from past tenants. I've been doing this for the past, I want to say, almost 5 years. So I'm a little lost as well.
AI is crazy these days.
Hold
Excuse me. In regards to the picture, I don't know if this young man is going through some sort of cold feet in his marriage or, self-sabotage.
The picture of the delivery person.
There was no delivery person. There was no tacos.
And how do you know that?
Because I saw it on my surveillance. He was in the pool with a young woman that looked pretty romantic to me. I didn't see a ring at the time of this. I have to look into things like that to see who I am renting my property out to.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know what I'm talking about.
Did you see tacos? I'm just curious. Did you see tacos?
I did not see any tacos.
This is news to me. So
Wait a minute.
I'd like to see these.
What's news to you, sir?
I don't remember being in a pool with any.
Hold up. I'm just
anyone,
curious.
or-
Wait a minute.
It was
You
murky.
said that your marriage, or rather your engagement, dissolved because your fiance saw a picture that she posted. Did you not say that?
Yes, that is
You know
correct.
what?
Yeah.
Let me try it this way. Give me a description of what was in that picture.
It was, I was standing and I had.
What were you wearing?
It was I had a shirt on.
A shirt.
And pants.
Short pants, long pants.
They were short pants.
Short pants.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I had a bag. I had the tacos in a.
You had the
in a
tacos.
bag
And
in my
the young
hand.
lady, what was she? How was she dressed, sir?
She was in the shadow. She was in the dark. I didn't
was in
really
the
see her, so I was just her silhouettes. But
It was just silhouette.
apparently, it's brought up a lot of.
So your
discourse in my
fiance saw a
relationship.
silhouette
That's
of
correct.
somebody, and
She got she. I found out she's the gels type. You know,
Hold that
very distraught from
thought.
it.
This was this in? You said they were in the pool.
They were in the pool. I have eyes and glasses, so I have 4 of them, But I would like to ask him a question. Which taco spot did you go to, and how far was it?
The local Mango Park one. You
The
know
local
it.
Mango Park one. Can you be more
of course.
specific
Yeah,
on
I'm
how
sure
many-
you know, Judge. Right? Yeah.
He wouldn't know you bought the tacos.
Yeah, but it was good. I'd say it was like a good. It was a good one. So I
Yeah,
thought it'd be
It was
more
a good
popular.
time. I bet it was good.
I'm sure.
Let me ask.
sure.
Let me ask this question. Because I'm reading the reviews, and the reviews here have all been spot on. And I'm not saying that you didn't have a bad experience. That's a possibility. But where I'm lost at is did he contact you about at any time during
The
his
judge
stay?
spots a major
I
problem.
got hold of this.
He
all
never
after. I
reported
was
the
very
alleged rental
hurt by
issues
how
during the stay.
unprofessional and a bit
That can
childish this whole
seriously
thing was
weaken
handled.
his credibility.
I found out online.
Would you
I found
trust
out
his
through
$150,000
calls, like,
claim?
a phone call telling me that I had to get some things fixed, and I was a little flustered. Like, whoa! Like, we were texting through the app, the website where he booked, and it's like, why not say it there? You get what I'm saying? I'm finding out through a third party. It was a bit confusing.
So basically, his review was via social media
social
and-
media and through the
and
booking site.
and through the
Yeah.
site. Okay, did you give her a bad review?
I didn't. Yeah, it was dirty. I thought the place was dirty when I first
Okay.
got there. Yeah.
But sir, what I don't understand is if it was not up to par or it was not up to your standards or what you expected, why did you not contact her during that time and says, hey, this is not what I paid for. What is this? That would have given her an opportunity to come over and fix what needed to be fixed, or would have gave you an opportunity to relocate to another place and get yourself a refund.
The thought didn't cross my mind while I was in the situation. I
It
had a
sounded
lot
like
on
the
my
thought didn't
mind.
cross your mind when you were in that tub. I mean, in that pool.
Okay. I still don't think I really was in that pool, and I'd like to check the validity of those photos.
Hold up,
Anyway.
man. This is what you said at that podium that your fiance was upset over a picture that she posted. Your
dear
fiance
Cassandra.
saw the picture. Okay, your fiance is not going to get upset over you receiving a delivery order from somebody in the shadows where they're just a silhouette.
Apparently she can. I mean, she did. I think she kind of overreacted off this nothing photo. It didn't even include anything in it.
Okay, let me ask, I'm just curious, Miss Adams, why did you post that photo?
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I wasn't aware of the situation. Obviously, from my perspective, I had no idea there was a fiance. Clearly,
Okay.
he's doing some dirty
No,
work.
but what I'm asking
I'm
you,
posting
what motivated you to post a picture of him to begin with?
Because I need to know why. Who is this person? You know what I'm saying? Maybe he was posing. I don't know if there's a different name. I'm just trying to get to the bottom of it. People like this don't deserve to be booking on sites and then putting a bad name for me out there. So I was upset.
I have a bad name now. I'm kind of
You're a
seen as a
cheater.
cheater. Well, I'm
You're a
seen as a
cheater.
cheater. I'm seen as a cheater. I'm not actually
Oh,
one.
Lord.
God,
Okay.
this is like Coldplay. This is the Coldplay thing. This is ridiculous.
The Coldplay thing.
Oh, that's what this is?
I'm being made an astronomer of CEO, the CEO of an astronomer.
What?
Yeah, so they just picked you
Random chance.
Yeah,
with a woman
I
in the
got unlucky.
shadows.
I got unlucky.
yeah, man.
My dear
I can't
Cassandra,
believe
I
it.
think about her at
maybe,
least once a
maybe
week.
what it was is that you were so grateful that she brought the food in such an expeditious manner that you just went out and gave her a hug to say, thank you so much because I was so hungry and I really appreciate you coming so swiftly that now my hunger pains can be ended. And it just so happened that there was a surveillance camera that caught you in that moment while you were giving this hug. Unfortunately, what I think may have happened also is that, maybe she was like, oh my gosh, your home is so beautiful. And you said, hey, well, let me show you around real quick in case you want to rent it. And while that happened, you both slipped and fell in the pool. And then that's when she got the picture.
Very funny, Your Honor.
See,
Very
that's what
funny.
could have
That's
happened.
what you're painting.
That's what
It don't
could have
make
happened,
sense.
right?
No, I never stepped foot in that murky pool. I would never go in there.
Your Honor, can we go pull up that picture? Did that pool look murky at all?
AI. It's probably AI.
Wow. It didn't look AI when you were in it.
Mr. Vega, sir. There's a moment in time where it's just best to come clean. And I get it. I understand why you're upset. You're upset over what you perceive to be lodging that was not up to your standards. I find that very hard to believe considering all these previous reviews and the fact that you didn't even make an effort to contact her to say, hey, what's up with this place? It's dirty. You didn't even make that effort, And if it was so bad, you still said, it's disgusting, but I will still order food and eat inside this place. Yeah, that sounds kind of weird to me. But what I don't understand is you telling us that your fiance is a very jealous person.
That's correct.
Okay.
I learned this.
Now the judge
And
turns
I don't
up the pressure.
understand because
His fiance
televised,
saw the televised case,
I don't know
and
if
his
you knew that or
testimony
not.
is under
You know,
scrutiny.
when you sign
In
the
court,
waiver,
inconsistent
letting you know that
stories
this is
can
televised.
destroy credibility.
Okay,
Is he
which
trapped?
means that your fiance is most likely going to see this. Her family is going to see this. Her friends are going to see this. You are calling your fiance, or former fiance, I should say, a liar. You're calling her not a liar. You're saying that she overreacts, that she's hot-blooded,
No,
that
no,
she's
no, no.
irrational,
That-
that she's crazy.
That is your words. I never used any of those
No,
words. Cassandra.
this is pretty much what you're saying about your former fiance.
No. I never used any of those words. I think
This is your time to come clean.
no.
Please.
Because let me explain something to you. When you are in a relationship and you stray, you know, maybe something looks good and you go out and you get a little taste and your girl finds out about it, you come clean. You allow her the opportunity to say, you know what, we need to discuss why you did this, and allow her the opportunity to say if she wants to stay with you or not. But that's not what you're doing right here. She has gone away. She's canceled the wedding from you. And you're saying that woman's crazy.
I would not use
Not
the word.
only are you saying that woman's crazy, you're saying that this woman's crazy. It seems to be your coverall.
No one's crazy here. I think people are getting maybe a little bit defensive. I want to say. I don't know why
getting
you guys
defensive.
are ganging up on
this
me.
woman and your former fiance, they're being defensive.
Yeah, in a
So
sense.
you
in a
got no
sense.
responsibility in any of this.
Things happen to me. Things happen to me. Yeah.
Yeah, I bet a few things happened in that pool too.
Nothing happened in the pool. Let's get past the pool part. Nothing happened there.
Were you
okay?
in the pool? Yes or no?
No.
Wow.
Wow.
Lack of accountability.
So
This
the picture that
generation-
she has online, or that she posted on her social media account, that's, as you put it, just artificial intelligence.
It's crazy what they can do nowadays. You should. Yeah. I think she put something into AI, and then it came back and it was AI generated. So
He is not smart. He has artificial intelligence. Okay.
Yeah,
I-
I see that. You're going.
I work at a hedge fund, so
You're going to stand on this, aren't you?
Wow.
You're in a court of law. The one time where you can come clean and say, "Yeah, this is the truth."
I am coming clean. I feel like I've been completely truthful this entire time. Actually, it's true.
He's an actor.
I can see it. You do know, like I said, you do know this is being televised, right? Mm-hmm. You do understand that after today, when you walk out of that door, there's a very good chance that you're going to run into a woman that you're going to find attractive, and she's going to be like, "Oh my gosh, that's the guy I saw in the judge's chamber. He's a liar."
I guess that's now hitting me now, but I still think I'm the victim here, and I deserve reprimations of some sort. I still believe.
I understand. This woman here runs a business, okay? She can't run her business while she's in this courtroom because this foolishness that you brought to my courtroom, you're not upset over the conditions of the place. You're upset that you got caught cheating. And that's okay. That's okay. And if you want to sit here and continue to lie about it, that's fine. You've already lost your fiance. You've lost face, at least with me. You know, but this woman right here, because she's losing time and money, you're going to pay for that. You're going to pay. That $1,500 that she's requesting, you're going to pay for that, for her court
What?
costs. Oh, yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
had a bad experience, and
The verdict is brutal.
No,
The $150,000 request is
I get it. You had a
denied,
good experience.
while the plaintiff is ordered to pay $1,500.
That's all right.
Justice just
But
flipped
guess
the
what?
entire
You're
case.
gonna pay this woman
Did the judge get it
$1,500.
right?
Your
This
request
is
for $150,000 has been denied. Your case is dismissed. Pay this woman her money.
This is insane. This is ridiculous.
You're ridiculous. Oh, goodness. Go ahead.
This is insane. I don't know what's happening right now. I feel like this is some kind of like witch trial or Captain Kangaroo court. This just shouldn't go through. I shouldn't have to pay money because I had a bad experience at somebody else's home. This is ridiculous. And it ended my marriage. And to my dearest Cassandra, I'm so sorry. Baby, I've been thinking about you at least once a week ever since we cut off communication. And please just answer my DMs. Please answer my DMs.
I am so grateful that Judge Porter was able to see through all the lies and allegations, and I can finally get back to my life and my family and my business. And I really hope that he goes to therapy for some of the psychological issues he has. And just a big thank you to Judge Porter for getting my money.